Today topic is mixed series or alphabet number symbol series. So this is the important topic for the bank examination and SSC. So first of all we discuss about the introduction. So in given question both are same direction, then we subtract the given numbers. That means in our question two directions are given. If same directions are given, we subtract the given numbers. That means left is given, we subtract the given numbers, and right is given, we subtract the given numbers. If in question in given series opposite directions are given, we add the given numbers. After that we count from the question ending direction. For example, in our question left and right is given or right and left is given, then we add the given numbers. After that we count from the question ending direction. Next we go to the next point. So in our question generally series is reversed means and means is given. Then in this type of question we take opposite direction. So if in question left is given, we take the right. If in question right is given, we take the left. Next we go to the next point. So in question sometimes series is divided into two equal parts, then the second part is reversed. After that first part is also reversed is given. That means the second part is reversed. After that first part is also reversed means the total series is reversed. That means we use this formula or we use this logic. So next we go to the next point. In our question generally preceded or followed is given. Preceded means before means left side of the given element. Followed means next or right side or next or right side of the given object. We go to the next point. Sometimes in question dropped is given. Dropped means we do not count the given symbols. We do not count the given symbols. We can go to the topic, that one is alphabet number symbol series. In the given series which element is 13th from the left hand. Left hand means from beginning. We count the three elements, then we reach the fastly. That one is third element is 5, sixth element is R, ninth element is F, 12th element is Ash, 13th element is V. So answer is V. Answer is V. Next we go to the next question. That one is in the above series which element is 16th from the right hand. 16th from the right hand. Right hand means we count from the question ending direction. Question ending direction is Z. So third element is F, sixth element is X, ninth element is 2, 12th element is G, 15th element is 3. We count the 16th element, that one is dollar. That one is dollar. Which of the following is 10th to the left of the 19th from the left end of the given arrangement. So here in question both are left directions are given. So left directions are given. Left is given. We subtract the given numbers. In our question, so 10th left is given and 19th left is given. So 19th left is given. Both are same direction. That's why we subtract the given numbers. That one is 19 minus 10. Then we get the 9. Ninth left is our answer. That means ninth left is our answer. So here third element is 5, sixth element is R, so ninth element is F. So answer is F. We go to the next question. Which of the following is the 10th to the left of the మళ్ళీ వచ్చేది ఓకే అవునవును. Which of the following is the 10th to the left of the 19th from the left hand of the given arrangement? So here in question, so 10th left is given, 19th left is given, then we subtract the given numbers, we get the 9. So here question ending direction is left. That means 9th left is our answer. So according to our series, third element is 5, sixth element is R, ninth element is F. So answer is F. That means option 1 is the answer. We go to the next question. Which of the following is the 6th to the right of the 16th from the right end of the given arrangement? In our question, 6th right is given, 16th right is given. So if in question same directions are there, we subtract the given numbers. So here 16 and 6 is given. 16 minus 6, we get the 10. So answer is 10. 10th right is the our answer. 10th right is the our answer. In our question, 10th right means we count from the Z. Third element is F. 6th element is X. 9th element is 2. So 10th element is division. 10th element is division. So answer is division. Which of the following is the 8th to the left of the 15th from the right end of the above arrangement? So here in question, 8th left is given and 15th right is given. If in question same directions are there, we subtract the given numbers. But in our question, here opposite directions are given. That's why we add the given numbers. Here given numbers is 8 and 15. So here question opposite directions are given. We add the given numbers. 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15, 23. We get the 23. Here question ending direction is right. That means we count from the right end. So 23rd right is the our answer. So by observation, 23rd right is third element is F, 6th element is X, 9th element is 2, and 15th element is 12th element is G, 13th element is 7, 16th element is dollar, and 19th element is ash, 22 element is F, 23rd element is star. That means in our question, so star is the answer. Star is the answer. Means second option is the our answer. We go to the next question. That one is which of the following is the 10th to the right of the 16th from the left end of the above arrangement? In our question, 10th right is given and 16th left is given. Both are opposite direction. According to our rule, if in question opposite directions are given, we add the given numbers. Here given numbers are 10 and 16. Both are opposite direction. That's why we add the given numbers. 10 plus 16, 26. So here question ending direction is left side. That means we count from the left side. So 26th left is our answer. So here by observation, 15th element is dollar and 18th element is 7 and 21 element is division and 24th element is K and 25th is X, 26th is 8. So answer is 8. That means in our question, so 8th, that means 4th option is our answer. 4th option is our answer. So we go to the next question. So that one is if all the symbols and all the vowels are dropped from the above arrangement, which of the following will be the 12th from the right end? So according to our rule, dropped means we do not count the given symbols and vowels. After that we count from the 12th from the right end. In our given series, right end means we count from the Z. We dropped the symbols and as well as vowels. Here the first one is Z, 1, 2, 3. This one is the vowel. That's why we do not count the given symbol. That means third element is F, fourth element is 8, fifth element is X, sixth element is K, seventh element is M, and 8th element is 2. In our question, 12th from the right end, 8th element is 2. You will drop the symbol and next one number also, next 9, and next one is 10, next one is 11, next one is 12. 12th element is 3. So here vowel is there, that's why it is dropped. Answer is third. We go to the next question. If the given series is reversed, which element is 19th from the left of the given arrangement? So series is reversed means we count from the opposite direction. In our question, 19th left is given. Series is reversed means we take the opposite direction. That means we count from the 19th from the right end. So in our series, right means we count from the Z. So here by observation, 15th element is 3, 16th element is dollar and 17th element is 9, 18th element is V, so 19th element is ash. So answer is ash. So that means first option. If all the symbols and numbers dropped from the right end, which element shows the month of the July from left end of the given arrangement? So in our question, symbols and numbers are dropped from the right end. Dropped means we do not count the given symbols and so as well as numbers. After that we count from the question ending direction. Here which element shows the month of the July from left end? Left end means here in question 7th element from the left end is our answer. So in calendar 7th month is July. So here 7th left is our answer. Before counting the 7th left element, we dropped the numbers and symbols. So here the first letter is B, 1, 2 and dropped the number, that means third element is D and the symbol is also dropped, that one is percentage. So 1, 2, 3, next one is 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th element is H. So in our option there is no H, that's why answer is none of these. We go to the next question. How many such numbers are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a letter and followed by a symbol? So preceded means left side, followed means right side. Here the question is asking for about the numbers. That means first of all we take the number. So here left side must be letter, right side must be immediately preceded by a letter and followed by a symbol, that means followed by a symbol. So we go to the number and verify the left side is must be letter, right side is must be symbol. So here number is there, number left side must be letter and as well as right side must be followed symbol, but here 5th is there, that one is not satisfied by the given condition. After that we go to the next number, that one is 6th. Here left side is letter is there as well as right side is ash is there, that means we count the 6th one. So next, that means one element is there. After that we go to the next element, that one is 9. So here left side is letter is there, right side is symbol is there, that means that one is satisfied the given condition. So after that we go to the next number, so that one is 3. Here left side is symbol is there, that means not satisfied. After that we go to the next one, that one is 7. Here left side is letter is there but not right side satisfied the symbol. After that we go to the next one, that one is 1. Here left side is G is there, right side is the symbol is there, that means 1 is satisfied. After that we go to the next number, so here 2 is there, left side must be letter but here symbol is there, that means that one is not satisfied. After that we go to the next number, that one is X, right side is U is there, that means not satisfied by the given condition. So here in question the number must be preceded letter, the number must be followed by symbol. So according to our question there are 4 numbers are there, that means option is 3. How many such consonants are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a number and preceded by a letter? So that means we go to the consonants, it is must be immediately followed by a number, that means right side must be number. It is preceded by letter, that means left side must be letter. So here we go to the consonant and verify the left side and right side. Left side must be letter is there, right side must be number. That means we go to the consonant and verify the left side and right side. In our given series B is the consonant but there is no preceded letter. After that we go to the next consonant, that one is D but there is no left side not letter is there. After that we go to the next consonant, so here R is there, that one is the consonant. That consonant must be preceded by letter but there is no letter. After that we go to the next consonant, that one is F. The here preceded letter is preceded element is star, that means that one is not satisfied. After that we go to the next consonant, that one is H. Here preceded by letter and as well as followed by number, that means H is satisfied the given condition. That means at present one letter is there. After that we go to the next consonant, here consonant is V. Here preceded element is ash, that means it is not satisfied. According to our question, consonant must be preceded a letter, but there is no letter, that's why we go to the next letter. Next letter is E, but it is vowel, that's why this one is skip out. Next one we go to the next consonant, that one is G. So here preceded element is 7, but according to our condition, so preceded must be letter, that means we go to the next one. Next consonant is M. Here preceded element is 2, so that's why it is not satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next consonant. So here consonant is K, next preceded letter is M, and as well as followed by must be number, but here there is no number, that's why that one is also not satisfied. After that we go to the next consonant, that one is X. Here preceded element is K and followed element is 8, that's why this one is counted. So after that we go to the next consonant, that one is F. Here preceded by letter but not followed by number, that's why it is not satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next consonants, so there is no number, that's why so these elements are not satisfied the given conditions. So according to our given series, here there are 2 consonants are there, preceded by a letter and followed by a number. So that means according to our option, so first option is 2, that means option 1 is the correct answer. We go to the next question. How many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a number and followed by a letter? That means the question is asking for a symbol. So that means first of all we take the symbol, this is the condition. Symbol must be preceded means left side, number, followed by letter means either consonant or number, consonant or vowel. So we go to the symbol and verify the left side and right side. So in our given series, the first symbol is percentage, here left side is letter is there, but according to our condition, left side must be number, that means so here symbol is not satisfied by the given condition. After that we go to the next symbol, that one is star. So here left side must be number, so but in our question, so here star is there, star left side is I is there, that means star is not satisfied by the given condition. After that we go to the next symbol, so that one is ash. So here preceded is number and as well as followed by letter, that means here ash is satisfied by the given condition. So after that we go to the next symbol, that one is dollar. Here preceded element is number and followed element is 3, but according to our condition, preceded must be number and followed must be letter, that means dollar is not satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next symbol, that one is division. Here preceded by a number but not followed by a letter, that means here division is not satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next symbol, but there is no symbols are there, so that means finally here only ash is satisfied the given condition. So first option is 2, second option is 3, third option is 4, fourth option is more than 4, fifth option is none of these. So here there is no 1, so that means only one symbol is satisfied the given condition. So there is no 1, that means option is none of these. We go to the next question. How many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a letter but not followed by a number, that means we go to the symbol and verify the left side and right side. So here symbol must be preceded by a, preceded means left side, preceded must be letter but not followed by number, means letter or symbol, either letter or symbol. That means we go to the symbol and verify the left side and right side. So symbol must be, left side must be letter is there, so right side must be either letter or symbol is there, then we count that those symbols. So here we go to the symbol, that symbol left side is letter is there and right side is letter is there, but not followed by number, that's why we count the So percentage, here percentage is the one symbol is satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next symbol, that one is star. Here by observation, star is preceded by letter and as well as followed by letter. According to our condition, symbol must be preceded by letter but not followed by number. But not followed by number means followed by either letter or symbol. So here star is satisfied the given condition. That means at present two symbols are there. After that we go to the next symbol. So that one is ash. Here preceded must be followed by letter according to our condition, but here preceded number is there. That means ash is not satisfied the given condition. So after that we go to the next symbol. Next symbol is dollar. Here dollar preceded by number. So according to our condition, symbol must be preceded by letter. That means dollar is not satisfied. After that we go to the next symbol. That one is division. Here division preceded by number. So according to our condition, symbol must be preceded by letter. That means symbol here division is not satisfied the given condition. That means in our given series only two symbols are there. So those symbols are percentage and star preceded by letter and not followed by a number. So that means according to our options, first option is 2, second option is 3, third option is 4, fourth option is more than 3, fifth option is none of these. So here only two symbols are satisfied the given condition. So that means option 1 is the our answer. We go to the next question. How many such letters are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a number or followed by a letter? That means here the question is asking for a letter. Letter means either number or letter means either vowel or consonant. We go to the preceded. Preceded means left side. Left side must be number followed by a letter. Followed by a letter. That means we go to the letter and verify the left side. If left side is satisfied, then we count that element. Otherwise we go, if it is not satisfied, the left side must be number, right side must be letter. That means here R is given. R is given means any one side satisfied, then we count that element. So in previous question generally and is given. And means both side must be satisfied by the given element. So that means left side is satisfied, right side is satisfied, then we count that element. But in our question here R is given. R is given means any one side satisfied, then we count that element. Here element means our question is asking for a letter. That means we go to the letter and verify the left side. If left side is satisfied, then we count that element. If it is not satisfied, then we go to the right side. So again right side letter is there, we count that element. That means we go to the letter. So here letter is there, but there is no left side. That's why we verify the right side. Right side must be letter. So that means B is satisfied. At present one element is there, that one is B. After that we go to the next letter. Letter must be preceded by number. That one is 5. That means D is also satisfied. After that we go to the next letter. That one is R. It must be preceded number or otherwise it must be followed by letter. But here in question R is followed by a letter. That's why we count that R. That means R is there. Next we go to the next letter. That one is I. It must be, that one is I. It is preceded by letter, but according to our condition letter must be preceded number. So that's why it is not satisfied. That's why we go to the another side, that means right side. Right side must be preceded, must be followed letter, but here letter is not followed by letter. That means I is not satisfied. After that we go to the next letter. Here letter is F. It is preceded by symbol. That means it is not satisfied the preceded element. So after that we go to the next one, right side. That means F followed by a letter. That means according to our condition letter followed letter. So that's why we count that letter. That one is H. After that we go to the next letter. That one is V. So according to our condition preceded must be number or followed by letter. So here letter is there, V, it is not preceded by number. That's why we go to the another side must be followed by letter, but here V is not preceded by a number or not followed by a letter, that's why we do not count this element. After that we go to the next letter, here E is there, E preceded by a number, that means so satisfied the condition, so that means another element letter is there, that one is E. After that we go to the next letter, that one is G, must be preceded by number or must be followed by letter, but G is preceded by a number, that means this G is also counted. Next we go to the next letter, that one is M, it is preceded by number, that's why it is satisfied the condition, that means we count the M also. We go to the next letter, that one is K, so it is preceded by letter, but according to our condition, so letter must be preceded by number, that means left side is not satisfied, that's why we go to the right side. So here right side is letter is there, according to our condition, so right side is followed by so letter, that means that one is satisfied, that means we count the K also. Next we go to the next letter, that one is X, must be preceded by number, but there is no number, only letter is there, that's why we go to the right side must be followed by a letter, but here followed by a number, that means X is not satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next one, next letter is U, it is preceded by number, that's why we count that element, that one is U. Next we go to the next letter, that one is F, it is not preceded by a number but followed by a letter, that means F is also counted, that means F. Next we go to the next letter W, it is not preceded by a number but it is preceded by a, it is followed by a letter, that means F is also counted as well as W is also counted. So here by observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 11 letters are satisfied the given condition. So according to our question, first option is 2, second option is 3, third option is 4, fourth option is more than 4, fifth option is none of these. So here we get the 11 letters are satisfied the given condition, that means more than 4 is the our answer, that means fourth option is the our answer, fourth option is the our answer. So we go to the next question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on their positions in the above arrangement and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belongs to that group? So here the question meaning is in given 5 options, 4 options are same pattern, one is different. That means we find out that different option. The question is nothing but odd man out. Odd man out means 4 are in same pattern, one is different, so we find out that different option. So here in given series, so first option is B 5%, second option is star H hash, third option is 3 7 1, fourth option is 1 2 K, so next option is X U Z. So here by observation B is there, 5 is there, percentage is there, that means B 5%. So here first element is B, the next element is 5, that means the second next element of B is 5. Again the star percentage is there, percentage is nothing but the second element of so 5, that means the first element is B, the next second element is 5, that means the rule is plus 2, the rule is plus 2 to the first letter, then we get the next letter. Again the second one is plus 2, then we get the percentage, that means the first one is plus 2, then we get the next letter, next element, the next one is percentage, that means in our given series 5 is there, percentage is there, that means the relation between 5 and percentage is nothing but second element of 5 is nothing but percentage, that means the rule is plus 2 plus 2. Again we go to the next option, that one is star H hash. Here a given series star is there, H is there, that means in between star and H one element is there, that means indirectly, so the second element of star is nothing but H, that means again plus 2. After that H is there, hash is there, here H is there, ash is there. The second element of H is ash, that means the second element of H is ash means here the rule is also +2. Next we go to the next option, 3, 7, 1. In our given series 3 is there, 7 is there. That means the relation between 3 and 7 is nothing but +2 element of 3. That means +2 means here first element is E, second element is 7. That means again here rule is +2. First option +2 rule is there, +2 rule is there. Second option also +2, +2, and third option is also +2, +2. Next fourth option, that one is 1, 2k. Here 1 is there, 2 is there. That means the relation between 1 and 2 is nothing but +2 of first one, and 2 is there, k is there, the +2 of 2. That means again the fourth option is also, the rule is nothing but +2 and +2. By observation x, u, z. Here x is there, u is there. So u is nothing but second element of x and third element of z. So in our first option +2 +2 rule is followed. Second option is also +2 +2. Third option is +2 +2. Fourth option is +2 +2. But in fifth option is +2 and +3 rule is there. So +3 rule is there. That means the first option, second option, third option, fourth option followed same pattern. But the fifth one is +2 +3 is there. That's why that one is the different. So in our question we find out the odd man out. So here 4 options are in same pattern, but so fifth option is a different pattern. That means that one is the odd man out. We go to the next question. That one is find the odd man out. So here given question 5 options are given. 4 are same pattern, 1 is different. We find out that option. So here first option is 5b percentage. Here 5 is there, b is there. In our option 5b percentage, 5 is there, b is there. By observation 5 and b, the relation of 5 and b is nothing but first element is 5, then preceded second element is b, that means -2. Preceded means minus, followed means plus. We take the plus. So here b is there, preceded element is 5, that means -2, and percentage is there. So again by observation 5 is there, percentage is there. That means the relation between 5 and percentage is nothing but so +2. That means one element is selected. The preceded second element is nothing but next one. The followed second element is nothing but third element. So that means in our option, so first element is there. The relation between first element and second element is nothing but -2. After that, the relation between first element and third element is nothing but the followed second element is the third element. That means so here first element is taken, the next one is nothing but second previous element, the third one is nothing but so that second followed element, second element. That means the first option followed -2 +2. After that we go to the next option. That one is $6. So here in our given series V is there, 6 is there. That means the relation between V and 6 is nothing but so here one element is, first element is V, preceded second element is 6. That means the second element is nothing but -2 of the first element. Again dollar is there. So what is the relation between V and dollar? That means one element is selected, the next one is preceded second element, the third one element is followed second element. That means in our question first option and second option follow the same pattern. After that we go to the third option. So E, dollar, G. So in our given series E is there, dollar is there. Dollar is nothing but previous second element. G is nothing but so followed second element. Again this one is also followed -2 and +2 rule, -2 and +2 rule. After that we go to the next option, M division X. Here by observation M is there, division is there. That means the next element of M is nothing but previous second element, that one is division. After that we go to the third element is X. That means that one is nothing but followed second element of M is X. That means the fourth option is also followed -2 +2 rule. That means in first option and second option, third option followed -2 and +2 rule. After that we go to the next option, that one is fifth option, F F8W. In our series F is there, 8 is there, F8W, F is there, 8 is there, W is there, but there is no relation between F8W. That means the fifth one is the different one. So that's why that one is odd man out. We go to the next question. What should come in the place of question mark in the following series based on the above arrangement? So in our series A, D, R, star, H, hash, dollar, E, G is given. We find out the which one is next one. So here in question 5 options are given. So in this 5 option, which option is suitable for the in the place of question mark? That means first of all we observe the relation between the given series. So here A is there, D is there, R is there. That means here A, D, R means the first element is A, D is nothing but the second element, the second followed element of A is D. That means the first one is followed plus 2, the first one is followed plus 2, and again the D is followed second element of D, that one is R. That means first one is A, second element of A is D, the second followed element of D is R. So that means first one is followed plus 2 and the next element is followed plus 2. After that star is given. So star is given. That means one element is leaved. That one is I. After that we go to the, so here star is there, star H. That means again that star is followed plus 2 element. Again that H is followed plus 2 element. So plus 2 means followed. So minus means preceded. Simply plus 2 means the second element of H is hash. After that dollar is there. That means here by observation after hash dollar is given in our series. That means here 2 elements are leaved. Those elements are V and 9. After that dollar is there. So after that E is there. So that means the relation between dollar and E. That means here dollar followed second element of dollar. That one is E. Again that E followed second element of E. That one is G. That means here first element is followed by plus 2 and that element is followed by plus 2. After that one element is leaved. Again taken the star. That one is also followed plus 2. Again that one is followed plus 2. That means hash. After that 2 elements are leaved. That one is V and 9. After that dollar is taken. That dollar is also followed by plus 2 and that followed by E also followed by plus 2. So here according to our rule, so plus 2 is followed. First one element is leaved after R. After that hash 2 elements are leaved. That's why we leave the 3 elements after the G. So after the G 1, 2, 3 these 3 elements are leaved. After that we count the M. Here M is there. This M is also followed plus 2. Then we get the X. Again this X is followed second element. That one is U. So according to our question paper, so which one is followed? Answer is M, X, U. So here M is followed second element X. X is followed U. So here by observation option is third option is the correct answer. That means in our question, so here one element is followed second letter. That element is again followed second letter. So after that one letter is leaved. So after that that letter is followed plus 2 and again that letter is followed plus 2. After that 2 letters are leaved. After that that letter is followed plus 2. That means plus 2 is there. Leaved elements are increased. That's why the answer is M, X, U is the answer. So we go to the next question. This one is the number repeated series. Sometimes in different competitive exams, so numbers are repeated. That's why it is called number repeated series. So before discussing about the number repeated series, first of all we know the base numbers, concept for the numbers. So here even numbers, whole numbers, prime numbers, odd numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the even numbers. So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and so on. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Perfect squares 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the perfect squares. Perfect cubes are 1, 8, 27, these are the perfect cubes. That means our question is based on the prime numbers or even numbers or odd numbers or prime numbers or perfect squares or perfect cubes. That means first of all we learn the even numbers, odd numbers, perfect squares, perfect cubes. After that we solve the question. So here in given series we go to the next one. That one is repeated series. So here in given series number repeated series is given. So 1 2 1 4 2 1 8 4 2 1 2 1 4 2 1 2 4 8 4 2 1 7 2 1 9 3 2 5 2 1 4 2 1 is given. So all are the single digits. So by observation from beginning is called left hand, observation from ending is called right hand. So here we go to the question. That one is how many such 2's are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a perfect square and immediately followed by a perfect cube. Before solving the question, first of all we discuss about the numbers. So here in number system, even numbers are there, odd numbers are there, prime numbers are there, perfect squares are there, so perfect cubes are there. So here even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that means nothing but 2 table. So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. These are the odd numbers. So here the question is asking for sometimes in question prime numbers are given, odd numbers are given, even numbers are given, perfect squares are given, perfect cubes are given. That's why we discuss about the even numbers and odd numbers and prime numbers, perfect squares and perfect cubes. Prime numbers, the least prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the prime numbers. In our question all are the single digits. That means up to we learn the at least 10. So perfect square, here least perfect square is 1. 1 is also perfect square as well as 1 is also perfect cube. That means perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the perfect squares. Perfect cubes 1, 8, 27 and so on. These are the perfect cubes. In our given series all are the single digits. At least we remember the up to 10 least prime numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, square numbers, perfect squares, perfect cubes. Here in question, how many such 2's are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a perfect square and immediately followed by a perfect cube. That means the question is asking for 2. That means first of all we take the 2. Preceded means already we know that left side means before. It is must be followed by perfect square. So before must be perfect square. In our given series perfect squares are there. So perfect squares are 1, 4, 9. These are the perfect square. That means our 2 must be preceded by a 1 or 4 or 9, as well as it must be followed by a perfect cube. In our given series perfect cubes are there. 1 is perfect cube and 8 is perfect cube. So that's why that means our 2 must be preceded 1 or 4 or 9. Our 2 must be followed by a 1 or 8. That means we go to the 2 and verify the left side and right side. If left side 1 is there and as well as right side 1 is there, we count that element. If left side 4 is there and right side 1 or 8 is there, we count that 2's. That means we go to the 2 and verify the left side and right side. Left side, so here 2 is there, 2 left side is 1 is there. That means that 1 is a perfect square, as well as it is followed by perfect cube. That means at present 1, 2 is there. So after that we go to the next 2. Again that 2 is preceded by perfect square and followed by perfect cube. That means another 2 is there. So after that we go to the next 2. So the question is asking for 2, that's why we go to the 2. Here preceded by perfect square and followed by perfect cube. That means another 2 is also there. After that we go to the next 2. That one is preceded by perfect square and as well as followed by perfect cube. That means this 2 is also satisfied. It is preceded by perfect square and followed by perfect cube. That means this 2 is also satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next 2. It is preceded by perfect square but it is not followed by perfect cube. That's why it is not counted. So after that we go to the next one. That one is 2. It is preceded by 4. 4 is also perfect square and it is followed by perfect cube. So here 2 is preceded by perfect square followed by perfect cube. That's why we count that this 2. So that means another 2 is there. Next we go to the 2. It is preceded by odd number but in our condition it is must be preceded by perfect square. That means this 2 is not satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next 2. So that one is preceded by 3. That means not perfect square. 3 is not perfect square. That's why it is not counted. After that we go to the next 2. That one is preceded by 5 followed by 1. 5 is not perfect square. That's why we do not count that 2. After that we go to the next 2. It is preceded by 4 and followed by perfect cube. That means 1 is there. So that means this 2 is satisfied. So in our series there are 1, 2, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7. 7 2s are preceded by a perfect square and as well as followed by a perfect cube. But in our question options are given. 1 is 2, 2 2s are there. Second option is 3, third option is 4, fourth option is more than 4, fifth option is 1. So in our question, so 7 2s are satisfied the given condition. That means according to our option, fourth option is the our answer. We go to the next question. How many such square numbers are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a double of that square number and followed by half of that square number, followed by half of that square number. So here in question square numbers are given. So square numbers means either 1 or 4 or 9. 1 or 4 or 9. So these perfect squares must be preceded by double of that square number. That means double means 2 times and as well as followed by half of that square number. Half of that square number means in our question 1 is there. We go to the 1 and verify the left side and right side. Right side must be so half of the 1. Half of the 1 means 0.5 but there is no 0.5 in our given series. That means indirectly we need not to verify the 1. That means 1 is not satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the 9. So preceded must be followed by double of that number. But in our given series all are the single digits. That means here 18 means 18. So it is also not satisfied the given condition. That means only we verify the 4. So we go to the 4 and verify the left side and right side. It perfect square must be preceded double of the number. Here 4 double is 8. So half of that number must be followed. So half of that number means here 4 is there, half of that number is 2. That means indirectly in our question perfect squares are there. So those perfect squares are 1, 4, 9. But 1 is not satisfied by the given condition, as well as 9 is also not satisfied by the given condition. That means 9 right side must be so half of that number. That means 4.5. 4.5 means there is no 4.5 in our given series. That means only we go to the 4 and verify the left side and right side. So left side must be 8, right side must be 2 is there. Then we count that those 4s. So here by observation 4 is there. So it is not preceded by double of that number. So 4 is there. Preceded must be double. Double means 8. So there is no 8. So that's why 4 is not satisfied. After that we go to the next 4. So that one is preceded by double of the number and followed by half of that number. That means at present 1 4 is there. After that we go to the next 4. So here 4 is there, not preceded by double of that number. After that we go to the next 4. It is preceded by double of that number and followed by half of that number. That means another 4 is there. So another 4 is there. At present 2 4s are satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next 4, but there is no preceded double of that number. That means here in question only 2 perfect square numbers are there preceded by double of that number and followed by half of that number. So that means in our question 1 is not satisfied the condition, 9 is not satisfied the condition. That's why we go to the only 4. So here 4 must be preceded 8, must be followed 2. So we count those 4s are there. Only 2 4s are satisfied the given condition. So in our question options are there. First option 2, second option 3, third option 4, fourth option more than 4, fifth option 1. So here we get only 4 4s are satisfied. That means only 2 perfect squares are satisfied the given condition. 2 means option is first option. So we go to the next question. How many even numbers are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a prime number and followed by a odd number, So already we know that even numbers, in our question even numbers are 2, 4, 8 is given. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd numbers, and perfect squares are 1, 4, 9. And in our given series perfect cubes are 1, 8 is given. So here the question is asking even numbers. That means first of all we take the even numbers. That means these even numbers preceded by prime number, and these even numbers must be followed by odd number. That means we go to the prime number and verify the left side and right side. So here by observation 2 is there. So it is not preceded by prime number. That means so this even number is not satisfied the given condition. Next we go to the next even number. 4 is there. So that one is the even number. So it is not preceded by prime number. Here 1 is there, 1 is not prime number. That means this 4 is not satisfied the given condition. After that we go to the next even number. So that one is 2. This one is preceded by 4. 4 is not a prime number. According to our condition, even number must be preceded prime number. So next, that means 2 is not satisfied. Next we go to the next even number. That one is 8. It is preceded by 1. 1 is not a prime number. That means 8 is also not satisfied. After that we go to the next even number. That one is 4. It is must be preceded prime number according to our condition, but it is not preceded by prime number. Next we go to the next even number. So that one is 2. It is not preceded by prime number. That means we do not count that 2. After that we go to the next even number. So it is not preceded by prime number. That means that one is not satisfied. After that we go to the next prime even number. That one is 4. It is not satisfied. Next we go to the next even number. That one is 2. It is preceded by 1. 1 is not a prime number. After that we go to the next prime number. That one is 4. Next even number. That one is 4. It is not it is preceded by prime number and not followed by odd number. That means indirectly this 4 is also not satisfied. After that we go to the next even number. That one is 4. It is must be preceded prime number, but it is preceded even number. That one is not satisfied. After that we go to the next even number. That one is 2. It is preceded by 4, but according to our condition it is must be preceded prime number. That means so this even number is not satisfied. After that we go to the next even number. That one is 2. So here preceded by prime number and followed by odd number. That means this 2 is satisfied the given condition. That means at present one even number is satisfied. After that we go to the next even number. That one is 2. So it is preceded by 3. 3 is also prime number and it is followed by 5. That means here even number is satisfied the given condition. Our condition is it is preceded by prime number and followed by odd number. That means so here the 2 is satisfied. That means at present 2 even numbers are there. After that we go to the next even number. That one is 2. It is preceded by 5. That means this one is the prime number and it is followed by 1. That means that one is the odd number. That means the condition is satisfied. That means at present 3 even numbers are satisfied the given condition. Next we go to the next even number. That one is 4. So it is not preceded by prime number. That means not satisfied the given condition. Next even number is 2. It is preceded by even number, but according to our condition it must be preceded prime number. So that means that 2 is also not satisfied. So here by observation from beginning, so even numbers only 3 even numbers are satisfied the given condition. That means here options are 2, First option is 2, second option is 3, third option is 4, fourth option is more than 4, fifth option is 1. So only we get the 3 even numbers are satisfied the given condition. That means so second option is the our answer. We discuss about the mixed series and number repeated series. This is the most important topic for the banking exams and SSC exams and different competitive exams. So it is most useful for the students. Thank you.